So Ntambi, nga cassette zino, I was calling you Ntanda, and I keep telling you, man, target audience. Okay, you've called me for a debate, a challenge, a debate, I don't know. And again, that is the problem. Kati generation ya kurwana. You want to have, you call me, sit on a, and then one singer, we shake hands. Ntambi. Nze byenkoze mu content production. Gwene kasuku ne bagayi bumwena. You've not done even 5%. What I've done. And I'm going to do a video, but I'll just do country by country. And you get wakola bino content. Tanzania, Rwanda, Kenya, Zambia, ebya Uganda byo. I'll need like a full week. Bagambe byenkoze. I just tell you one thing. I am the one who created Momo Nyabo. I was paid 1 billion shillings. Tandikirao. That's just what, a few years ago. I have been around for 3 decades. How do I discuss with you content? Katoina chokoze. Omanyime mwakulira mu muzigo. Yeah? Tata wo probably akola sanduko z'abafu. Maybe mama wa ina salu nao basiba nviri. Omulala yo mukuru wayo cha Rolex. Omulala akola sigiri. Mulyao. So you have no option. Naye kubanga muri mu lugambo. Nze nyondi omnyankoli nyinente zanjye ate mbwenu nimkonkashishi 11 nza kama ndigo kama nza kujemura amateganje nyija umucyara wanje murunje ryaho yantera ka China muhogo ndiye nzo mu rutoke nza kuombera ndigayo nza kwesherente shaita ne check ndigayo mpumura ho kace ndiya karanchi kanje nza kurebente nza kuyenya omwazi inte zanje nzitamu ninzireba hato rugambo ito witu Western Uganda nturwihahi Nichiro nkwate ngo nyanje nza kureba asenu nsheka tugamba njira musinga shimushinga mbayo ndeba kasande tukasande mtabani wanje riyo ndeba mtabani warakanum ngati tuyawo ibintu bitugamba mbishente bintente yawo zire hati twishe urugambo tuya and you have influenced our Western kids but antina kuza TikTok gamba bushakujuma abantu itwabanya kore respect our elders. That's why I have never said anything against Sandy, against Jenkins. Those are my big brothers. I respect them. I have never said anything. You understand? So you've called me for a debate, Romania, what to discuss content. First, do for me one thing. Do for me a 3 minutes documentary. Go downtown, record for me Kampala before and after the new ED. Yeah? Record that. I can even give you ideas on what to do. Get a guy like Chakala, the landlord. Oh, wonderful kid. Now that kid does content. Oh, that boy. And I met him 3 years ago. And I told him, hey, I met them. Those are kids that do serious content. They have more following than you. Now, Mufune, or recording a kumachanga avamu ghetto atambula, ajia onga kulokta. So many people walking, getting to town to work. Ngayamba de we ragged clothes bichi, alimkatare, asitula matoke, asitula bichi, aringa klie, asiyamba bantu kusitula yamba de we, and bamuayo mutwaro. Na kwa to mutwaro gwe, nagende wakana hao, fumbaro lexie bichi, ne ye waka, natika kosi bukede, narabaka TV ke movie enjogere. The next day, no zuka, no quarter, you can even use GNL to give you the soundtrack of 8 Mile Eminem. Na kubao jine Uganda, no talking meanwhile. Na ingira mtaon kati second daze, ira yamba dobi aze kusituba, atuse, asanze, kesisi ebintu ebyo nabijeo. Alaba the streets, they are cleaning them. Every track video babi cleaninga. Aga what's going on? Aba then you do some acting there. Banaba aba you amazi kukuba ngabaki ne bamuira amazao. Nagamba nkoze iki naduka nadaye waka. Now I'm bully ariao. You can play a soundtrack. I'm a winner. I never be a loser. Now you cow. Naginam Saru never saw a video. What is the the next morning, third day 3. No Muraka, tumbler, no quarter shoes, one sees short says so, cowboy short says, no, you can't get town. I am the black trouser, white shirt. Kati against the Kati, I was serving a minute. Then I was serving in the office. Kati, serving a minute office in a law firm. Atuka mlo fama serving emede asanga kasani posta kama we are hiring office messenger aga na mara kusavinga nadayo na cleaning bulungi nakoma nakola interview nomulaga akola interview handshake afunye omulimu aziye wakamusanyufu the next day akomye wa yambadde suit omukote kati yambadde suit agenze mukote afunye files agenze as deliverings agenze ne wakasuku ku radio za akolira bo ba dembe or something no now you come serving a file of being served by Kazoora. You have a court case in Morocco in Moroto which is happening anyway. Ojira story, or you can build no gamba. Okay, get an interview with the ED. Of course, ED agenda kwa interview. Kubamuza nonsense. So get clips of her on YouTube, on NTV, NBS, zako. Combine them with stuff. Make a story of Kampala before and after. Bonoka konako. Ngarabe. Then I will come and we'll discuss content. Wahura marangawe.